there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the coolest and most innovative tools to make your projects easier and more fun. Today, we've got a list of 10 incredible DIY tools on Amazon that you absolutely need to check out. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Introducing the 15-inch Outdoor Hatchet, a forged carbon steel, heat-treated hand maul tool designed for all your outdoor adventures. Made from carbon steel 45, this camping axe undergoes a 6-step process to stay sharper longer and resist corrosion, rust, and wear. Its fiberglass shock reduction handle is shock-absorbing, non-slip, and highly durable, providing perfect balance and strength with an inseparable axe head and handle. This versatile hatchet doubles as a hammer, making it ideal for driving wood piles and other camp tasks. Whether you're setting up a campfire, hiking, or tackling outdoor projects, this dual-function tool meets all your needs. Safety is ensured with a protective blade cover, locking latch, and thick plastic blade protection, keeping your axe safe and conveniently stored. Ideal for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this reliable, durable, and versatile chopping axe is essential for any outdoor toolkit. Number 2. Meet the DeWalt 23-piece impact socket set, your ultimate toolkit for tackling any job with precision and ease. This set is perfect for both SAE and metric applications, offering a variety of sockets, an extension, an adapter, and a quick-release ratchet. The 72-tooth count ratchet is a game-changer, featuring a quick-release button that makes socket attachment and removal a breeze. What sets this socket set apart is DeWalt's direct torque technology, which prevents fasteners from rounding and provides a superior grip. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this set has everything you need to handle a wide range of tasks effortlessly. Durable, versatile, and designed for maximum efficiency, the DeWalt 23-piece impact socket set is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Get ready to conquer any project with confidence. Number 3. Introducing the MWork 3-piece adjustable wrench set, your go-to toolkit for effortless tightening and loosening tasks. This versatile set includes 3 wrenches in 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch sizes, making it perfect for a variety of projects, from household repairs to automotive maintenance. Crafted from premium chrome vanadium steel, these wrenches are built to last, offering exceptional strength, longevity, and resistance to corrosion. The smooth adjustment mechanism ensures precise control and a snug fit on nuts, bolts, and fasteners of all sizes. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the wrenches feature comfortable, non-slip handles that reduce hand fatigue, even during prolonged use. Whether you're working in your home, garage, or workshop, the MWork adjustable wrench set provides the durability and versatility you need to get the job done right. Number 4. Introducing the 80s 1.5-inch plastic razor scraper, a must-have tool for all your scraping needs. This versatile scraper comes with 10 double-edged plastic blades, perfect for removing adhesives, labels, stickers, decals, and more without scratching surfaces. It's ideal for use on glass windows, countertops, stoves, appliances, metal, and more. Designed to minimize potential scratches, this scraper tool is perfect for safely removing unwanted materials from any surface. The ergonomic handle provides greater control and strength, making your scraping projects faster and easier. With 2 slots that hold the blade firmly in place, you can be sure the blade won't slip out during use. The 80s scraper also features a reverse blade for safe storage, accommodating both metal and plastic blades for added versatility. Keep this handy tool in your kitchen, bathroom, workshop, toolbox, office, car, boat, RV, or motorcycle for quick and efficient cleanup jobs. Save time and effort with the reliable 80s 1.5-inch plastic razor scraper. Number 5. Introducing the Toolant Impact Hex Head Allen Wrench Drill Bit Set, a 20-piece collection designed for versatility and durability. This set includes both metric and SAE hex bits, making it perfect for a wide range of screw driving applications. The bits are crafted from S2 steel with CNC machine tips and feature a manganese phosphate surface to prevent rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. This set is designed to handle the toughest tasks. The torsion zone absorbs torque peaks, preventing breakage during heavy-duty use. The hex bits are 4 inches long, providing extra length for reaching tight spaces and offering more practical and convenient use compared to shorter bits. The 10-piece metric set includes sizes from 1.5 mm to 8 mm, while the 10-piece SAE set ranges from 5/64 inch to 5/16 inch. Each bit features a 1/4-inch quick-release hex shank for easy bit changes. The strengthened magnetic impact bits make it easy to pick up screws, enhancing efficiency during projects. Perfect for home repairs, automotive work, and other screw driving tasks, this set comes in a convenient storage box, keeping your bits organized and ready for any job. Equip yourself with the Toolant Impact Hex Head Allen Wrench Drill Bit Set for reliable performance and exceptional versatility. Number 6. Introducing the Liberaton Impact to 1/4 Hex Converter, your ultimate tool for boosting work efficiency with seamless versatility. This adapter set isn't just about convenience, it's about transforming your wrench into a powerful drill or your ratchet into a precise driver effortlessly. Crafted from tough chrome molybdenum steel and finished with a durable phosphate coating, these adapters are built to last, resisting wear and tear for long-term reliability. The quick change design features a handy quick-release chuck that allows for smooth, one-handed bit changes, ensuring you stay focused on the task at hand. Whether you're tackling DIY projects or professional tasks, the Liberaton Converter Kit adapts effortlessly to all 1/4-inch hex shank screwdriver bits, making it a must-have in any workshop or toolbox. Enhance your toolkit with this multifunctional set and experience enhanced productivity with every project. Number 7. Discover the 37-in-1 S2 Steel Mini Ratchet Wrench Screwdriver Bit Set, your ultimate companion for precision in tight spaces and versatile screwdriving tasks. This set features a compact ratchet wrench, 4.3-inch long, equipped with a 36-teeth reversible ratchet system, offering smooth operation in both tightening and loosening directions. The high-quality teeth ensure high torque and precise adjustments, surpassing traditional ratchets with fewer teeth. Perfect for confined areas like U-shaped corners or tight lateral surfaces, the mini ratchet wrench provides excellent maneuverability where standard screwdrivers can't reach. Its comfortable non-slip grip ensures optimal handling during prolonged use. Crafted from durable S2 steel, the screwdriver bits boast CNC machining for precise fit and magnetization to minimize wobbling. The set includes a comprehensive range of bits: Phillips, positive, square, hexagon, SAE and metric, Torx, and slotted, ensuring compatibility with various screw types and sizes. Complete with a compact case for easy storage and portability, the 37-in-1 S2 Steel Mini Ratchet Wrench Screwdriver Bit Set is essential for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, delivering unmatched versatility and performance in every project. Number 8. The KYMAN 040 Router Plane is an upgraded handheld tool designed for precise cutting of dados, grooves, and mortises. Similar to its predecessor, the 003 Router Plane, it features a robust bottom board and blade control system that ensures accurate and controlled cuts. What sets the KYMAN 040 apart is its enhanced design, including a custom enlarged wooden handle and an angled handle configuration. These features cater specifically to users with larger hands, offering improved comfort and control during extended use. Ideal for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, the KYMAN 040 Router Plane combines durability with ergonomic design, making it a reliable choice for intricate woodworking projects that require precise grooving and mortising capabilities. Number 9. The Leway 7-in-1 Folding Portable Workbench is a versatile and robust tool designed to meet a variety of work needs. This multifunctional workbench serves as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck, providing exceptional utility for different tasks. Constructed with a stable triangle design, heavy-duty aluminum legs, and a sturdy steel frame, this workbench offers excellent bearing capacity. It can support up to 550 pounds in scaffold and platform modes, and 330 pounds in other configurations, ensuring stability and reliability in various work environments. Adjustability is key with adjustable heights ranging from 20.47 to 30.7 inches, allowing you to customize the table to suit your specific work requirements. The legs can be extended, shortened, or folded for easy setup and storage, making it convenient for transportation and use across different locations. Thanks to its foldable design, the workbench saves space and is easy to store. It comes fully assembled, requiring minimal setup before it's ready for use. Whether you're working in the workshop, garage, or on-site, the Leway 7-in-1 Folding Portable Workbench is an indispensable tool that provides versatility, stability, and ease of use for a wide range of applications. Number 10. Meet the Graco Magnum 257025 Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. Designed for the DIY enthusiast seeking speed and efficiency, this sprayer is your go-to alternative to brushes and rollers, perfect for swiftly completing a variety of home projects. With a robust 9.0 amp motor and a maximum flow rate of 0.24 gallons per minute, powered by a 0.375 horsepower engine and 0.28 kilowatts rating, this sprayer means business. It's built to handle projects up to 5 gallons in size, ensuring you can tackle multiple tasks throughout the year with ease. What sets the Magnum 257025 apart is its fully adjustable pressure control, giving you the ultimate freedom to spray paints or stains at any pressure without thinning. Whether you're painting walls, furniture, or fences, this feature ensures precise application and professional quality results every time. If you're ready to elevate your DIY game with speed, precision, and durability, the Graco Magnum 257025 Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer is your perfect partner for turning your home projects into professional achievements.